Hi, this is Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, broadcasting tonight from the bunker right here in Erie, Pennsylvania, with a quick reminder. Time to order the 2022 manufacturing calendar if you want it in time for Christmas. I'm kind of dealing with the same supply chain issues everybody else is. They're running a little late this year, but I shipped them first class mail, so they ship in 3 days, right to your front door, right? So once again, my annual labor of love to the trade. Go through this painstakingly. I picked out a lot of old school stuff. I offer my commentary on why I did things the way I did it. And I totally understand that the trade has changed a lot since I even started the Tool and Die Guy 12 years ago. I work at a shop of about 100 people, and I don't even know if 3 or 4 of us have that's it for the people who own their own tools anymore. So why would they even want a calendar? But if you're that craftsman, one of us, that still has a good spot where you work with your hands every day, got that toolbox, you need a cool piece for over the bench, a man cave, wherever you work with your hands. There's only one like it. I do this every year. So I've got 30 left, all right? Again, they come in this week, they go out Thursday morning, plenty of time for Christmas, 3-day delivery, but there's 30 left. So if you want one, time is running short, okay? There's a link right underneath here. If you've already ordered one, I appreciate your support. Thank you very much. And but that's it from here. It's gonna be a great calendar, and you'll enjoy it. And no, you don't get to have the electric eraser. Do you know how many mistakes you have to make to actually have an eraser that you plug in? I do. I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy. Merry Christmas, and again, limited supply. Order as soon as you can if you want it in time for Christmas.